My lovely princess is eating pellets after she saw Lily eat her pellets. So Princess went right in the bowl and got nice and comfortable and started eating the pellets. And she also likes to eat Lily's poop. And Kiwi was watching the whole time, very curious. Yep. And that's how you get a bird to eat pellets. You get another bird that's under them to start eating food. And the birds that are higher than them, which would be Princess, who thinks she's the big boss around here, is like, I'm not going to let you eat food that I'm not eating. So now she's eating this food that I can't get her to eat otherwise. But if she sees every other bird eating, then she'll eat too. And Lily is a little confused as to why there is a bird in her food bowl. And Princess likes to show off once in a while. But she's enjoying those little pellets. Now the trick is to get my other bird. I've got chicken over there. I've got my little chicken to eat pellets too. And I highly doubt she'll eat some pellets. I'm gonna come and eat some pellets. Who's that? It's your sister. Oh. Can eat pellets too? She's defending the food bowl. Princess, the least you can do is not put your feet in the food bowl, okay? Bad manners. Yeah, chicken, your sister has bad manners. Very bad manners. Oh, it's water, chicken. Yeah, it's water. Kiwi is just all very confused. Very confused. Hi, Kiwi. Hi, baby. Oh. Hi, baby. Oh, we'll see if Lily gets me to touch her feet. Oh, she's upset. Where's chicken going? There you go. You got scared, huh? There you go. Princess, you enjoying yourself over there? Huh? Don't know what you're doing. What are you doing? Whoa, she's like hissing. Rawr. Princess, I'm starting to think that you want to lay your eggs in there. I don't think that's a good idea. You can't lay your eggs there, okay? I'm gonna have to take you out, okay? Okay. Come. Come, grumpy bird. Grumpy, grumpy bird. And we have all of the birds. Whee! Whee! Head scratch one. What? Head scratch one. Head scratch two. Baby's a grumpy bird. Baby's a grumpy bird. And Mrs. Lily is a grumpy bird. Huh? What, Lily? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. She's just a little baby. You're just a little baby. Kiwi's the old lady. And Princess is the second oldest lady. Chicken's the third oldest lady. Poke the chicken. Poke the chicken, poke the chicken, poke the chicken. Poke, poke, poke. Check. Hi, Kiwi. It's a tail. It's a tail.